What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back at Coushatta Casino Resort and we are on the new Dragon Train slot machine that they got. This thing is amazing. They have all the graphics, the screens and everything all built around it. Looks really cool and the game's a lot of fun. There's 4 different versions of the game. This is the Sunshots, so all the machines are loaded up right now, so this is what we're going to start on. See if we can't maybe hop to another machine later. Oh, there's a nasty glare from the coin trio machines behind me. Oh, 250 back. So yeah, we're on the 5 cent and 250 bet. I want a bonus. 50 cents. Ooh, decent numbers. The other day, I have a live stream of me playing this game, and the other day I got a pretty good win of $3 back. I got like the minis and like a 125 ball. It was pretty sick. I got like 3 minis, maybe like $150 worth of minis. These machines can be brutal though. Come on. We need a bonus. One more. They also like to tease 5 a lot. Like very often. Oh, okay, we got it. That's a $12.50 ball, $10 ball, $7.50, $7.50. Some decent balls. If you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe, guys. Let's win a crap ton of money right here. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Can we hit 1? There we go. Reset. That was a $5 ball, another $5. $2.50. It's a min ball. Let's get a mini or a minor. Oh, a mini, $50. Let's go. Let's get another mini. No, not like a mini ball, but like a mini bonus ball. We have one more spin? No, 2 spins. Right here, come on, hit 1. Here. All right, we'll take it. It's not bad. It's not bad, we're in profit now. 65, 70, over $100, 115, that's not bad. We'll take it. We want more though. Man, I really do like this game. The graphics are really nice. The music's nice. I want to get a Dragon Train ball though. I think it gives you like 2 bonuses or something like that. That's what I heard at least. I haven't seen it with my own eyes. Five of a kind or no? Guess not. 250 again. 50 cents. All right. It's time for a free spin bonus. Oh, major ball. Major's 537. One more, come on. Dude, that's the Dragon Train ball. That's what I was telling y'all about. Come on. Oh, you got the Dragon Train ball. My neighbor got it. Now I get to watch and observe and see how it works. We're under $100 again. Oh, we got a bonus. All right, guys, we got a free spin bonus. If you're enjoying the content, like and subscribe. Let's win some money. So we get sticky wilds like that. And they can become whatever. Okay. Come on, yes. More stickies. All right, now we need some balls. We need balls. Okay, that's not bad. $13.50, it's not great. If it's balls, it's still not enough. All right, $13.50 bonus, that's horrible. I've noticed, the free spins are a lot more difficult to win in on this game. Most of my big bonuses come from the balls landing on the screen. Okay. $8.40 on that spin, not bad. I mean, how many spins was the free games? Like 5? 5 or 6. We need more than that. 2 more. Ooh, close. You gotta get like a re-trigger in that bonus. All right, we're down to $70. We need something to happen. Okay. Little fast spin, mix it up. 260 back. Come on, bonus. $15, that's pretty good. Free spins, come on. We need a big win on the free spins. Just to see that we can get it. Just to know. All right, let's try some 375 spins. A little bit more on the bet. Come on. We're gonna jump to another version of this machine in just a moment. Come on. $6.75. The golden nuggets there were blockers for sure. Blocked all the symbols. All right, $1.25. Another $1.25. And we're spinning. Oh God. All right, we're gonna go to the Coushatta over here. I'll be right back once we get money in this machine, guys. All right, $100 in, $250 bet. We need to win our money back from, where's the sound at? Oh, turned it all the way off. Yeah, we need to win our money back from the last machine. we can just get a bonus real quick and do that. It'd be really nice. Come on, Koodaloon. $24, okay. Ain't too shabby. Oh man. What's the top symbol? Oh, it gotta be the horse. Okay, come on. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's really good. $20. We're back up to 100. All right, I want some free games now. Or the hold and spin. Of course, when we get the Dragon Train, no bonus. This one does have a bigger major and Fortune 8 jackpot on this one. The other one I was playing only had 500 and 1,000, so it's a $125 ball. That's what I got the other day. In this game, when you get big balls, they come in groups, just like the Dragon Links. Come on, bonus. Oh. I actually had heard that Dragon Link was trying to sue the creators of this game. Something about the game being similar. In my opinion, I'm like, how many games can you, or slot machines can you actually make? Like, there's only so many different versions of a game you can do. Guys, looks like it's gonna be a short episode here. $200 in, $0 out. Yep. All right. Well, if you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. We're gonna take our L and move over to a new game, a new machine. Also, there was a lady standing behind me just staring over my shoulder. That was scaring me. Anyways, we're gonna come over here and play a new, not a new game, but a different game. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Later.